Howdy, everybody. Today is, what is today?
Tuesday the 16th.
Tuesday the 16th, she says. So we go with that. We
Pretty
are.
sure. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Is it St. Patrick's?
Yeah, it's St. Patrick's Day.
You sure?
Yeah.
We are outside of a little rinky-dink Goodwill in Boaz, Alabama. We had to go mudding to get up here because I turned in the wrong parking lot, and then there's just a little trail that connects parking lots. But we got here, and I think we're the only ones here. I'm gonna take advantage of this pandemic. So yeah, let's go in here and see what we can find. We'll see y'all here in a minute.
There ain't nobody in here.
Good, how are you? Buddy, y'all ain't busy today, are you?
Coronavirus got everybody scared.
Heck no, I'm gonna be out here shopping.
Y'all hear was in Montgomery a few days ago?
Yeah.
Yeah, all it takes is one cough in the building. Everybody's in.
There ain't been nobody in here coughing, has he?
I have been, but I highly doubt it's.
Well, I just won't get near you.
I think it's just mild allergies.
Harry Potter.
Not yet. Did you hear me?
Mm-hmm. Harry Potter. There's some golf clubs. Like I need more stuff. Heck yeah. This may be our only stop today. These people got me freaked out running around in masks and stuff. Yeah, I do believe this will be our last stop. I see Darth Vader. Let's go see what he got. Oh, the banks. There's a video game. Down versus raw. That box is fine.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready?
They're not heavy, they're just awkward.
Yeah. Alrighty, everybody, we are back at the building, and we fixing to start tackling all of this. Dread it. Anyways, I'll show you what we picked up today while we was out and about. So yeah, let me run through this stuff real quick. So we had to pick up or take the moving truck and drop off anyway. And we stopped at the Goodwill and I picked up this Minolta. It's in pretty rough condition, I guess. But the lens is good. It's a 5,000 Maxim. So yeah, picked that up. All this bag was $3.99. See the price there? Come with this flash sun pack. I don't know. And this other lens. And just some covers and some film and some nasty looking batteries. So I picked that up, and then we picked up, get out this bag, this Xbox 360 controller, and it's cleaning, and we'll test it, but the sticks seem good. $3.99. And then we went to another store and picked up these to try out. They had a bunch of these. Pantene Experts Hair Regrowth Treatment for Women, 3-month supply. They're all expired on 1/16/2016, but they're still selling pretty good. I paid $2.50 a box for it, I think. Yeah, so they should do all right. If they do good, we'll go back and buy more of them. Alrighty, guys and gals. So we're making some progress. We got this cleaned up. My pencil box from the Rev. And you can see the death pot is now gone. It was right here, and so is all the stuff that was in the middle of the floor. And I got this little thing to put DVDs on, so I can take them out of that barrel and have it barrel for something else. Got my thing cleaned off here so we can list. I got this cabinet and put it here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but we'll figure that out. All this stuff right here has got to be de-stickered and cleaned and listed. Just kind of some stuff we picked up today. And got this set up to clean stuff with, and my testing stuff. All this jazz. All this is stuff that needs to be listed. Talk about a death pile. I need to quit buying. So now that this pandemic's going on, we're gonna try to stay out of public. So we got plenty of work we can do here, as you can see. So that's what we're gonna do. I was gonna list them separately. You seen me prepping them before, but man, they really ain't worth nothing. So I'm just gonna do one big massive lot, all of them. See what happens with them. That's got Christmas lights in it. We're gonna list them. And then all this got to be listed, so we'll just start pulling stuff out of there. And then these rods and reels, these are all 10 Senators. I think this is a 6/0. We got a 4/0. And I'm not sure about that little one. But we're going to take these off the rods and give them a quick cleaning. Probably list them all together. We'll see. I don't know what I'm going to do with them rods yet. Got our mannequin sitting right there in the corner, and our steamer. We got them right here on this wall. We're gonna make us a clothing backdrop. So that's where we're gonna do our clothing. And then here we just got listed stuff, and more listed stuff. And then back here, we got all our storage. It's hard for you to see. Let me cut on a light. Where's the light? How do we got these lights on? Okay, so that's just our storage, personal stuff mainly, except for that table. We're trying to sell it, and the chairs right there. And then we got all our extra priority mailboxes here, and then we put our couch right here, table, microwave, cabinet for we're gonna put our Keurig in here and stuff for coffee, and TV. So after I take my pictures, I'm gonna, do them a batch. I just come over here and sit on the couch and list them all. Heck yeah. Y'all see them deer antlers? My brother mounted them. I shot the deer, and he did that for me for my birthday. Put it on that plaque. He did a good job too. So yeah, that's where we're at so far. Still got a long way to go. I gotta put something else over that door right there, see? Because we had the bright idea to paint it black. That was a horrible idea. So we got to put some more on that, because I'm a cheapskate and I wanted to go cheap. So 1 or 2 more coats and it'll completely be black like that. And to get it off won't be hard. I mean, we'll just spray it with some paint thinner or something. So yeah, that's the update. Now we're gonna get in here and we're just gonna start pulling out this stuff and start listing. Buddy, this is the fun part of the job now. Alrighty guys and gals, it is currently 4:10 Central Time, and we got some work to do around here, so we're gonna get that done. Buddy, I am sore. He needs to put a muffler on that thing. That thing loud, wasn't it? I'm sore, tired. So we're gonna do a little bit of listing. I took some photos over there earlier, get that listed and hang out the rest of the day, do a little bit of work around here. But I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button for me, and we're gonna see you guys and gals in the morning. Bye.